Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about poha in South Indian. It is named as AVALAKI. There are two types. One is white and brown, which is made by flattening rice. These is healthy breakfast which we can prepare on instantly. How to prepare these? Take as required poha 1 onion and tomato peanut coriander leaves capsicum. Olive oil turmeric powder chaat masala powder. Cut into pieces all these and mix it. If we want we can cook on slow heat. Don't cooking more as nutrition will go. After mixing enjoy the taste. These are high nutrition healthy natural food. Poha, also known as flattened rice, has its origins in the Indian subcontinent, particularly in the states of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. It's believed to have been consumed for centuries, with references to flattened rice found in ancient Indian texts. The primary countries where poha, or flattened rice, is produced include India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and parts of Southeast Asia. These regions have favorable climates for rice cultivation, which is the main ingredient in making poha. Additionally, poha is also consumed in other countries with South Asian communities, where it may be imported or made locally using similar techniques. However, the production and consumption of poha outside of South Asia might not be as widespread.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to